Just like that, somebody turned off the rain and the sun came out. Seriously, I'm gonna keep videotaping this till this fucker falls. Oh hey, there's Brandon's pipe bomb. Ew, it's a shit pipe.
Whoa.
What? You! Dude! Easy bastard. Oh my god. I hate, I'm so afraid. Ew, I'm about to shit. Go away. Here, just leave him there for a second. Okay. Motherfucking Catalina wine mixer. He's so cray-cray. Dude, that sumbitch hitched a ride down that creek. That was probably one hell of a fucking ride for that little guy. There's his canoe. Fuck.